So this is another paper airplane based on the Spirit Dragon. Let's take a look at this. It has a very unique shape, very unique. The paper airplane is so special. So let me hold the paper airplane like this. I'm going to throw it straight. I'll show you guys how fast it can fly. Okay. Wow, it's hit the tree. So let me pick it up. Flying straight, unique shape. What's up? Very special plane. I love it. Let me show you guys how it flies too. Oh, it flies so far. Even better than the Spirit Dragon, isn't it? Of course. Let me pick it up. Let me throw it one more time. So hold up. Fix the head a bit. Let me throw it straight. This way. Okay.
To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. This paper is 8.5 by 11 inches. Now let's fold the paper in half. When you fold the paper in half, make sure that all edges are lined up. Now let's crease this down. And creases again to create the center crease. Next step, let's open the paper and flatten the paper down. Start from this upper edge, fold the edge to the other side. Once you fold the paper to the other side, make sure that the edge matches with the below edge. If this is not, adjust the paper. I will move the paper a little bit so you can see the paper. Now you can see the crease. Right. Adjust the paper and adjust the crease. If this is not correct, fix this. Now press down the paper. Creases down. Unfold the paper. Flatten it out. And start from the upper edge again. Fold it to the other side. Make sure that the edge on the upper layer align with the below layer. And start from the tip here. Press the paper down. Adjust it if it's not aligned. Very simple. Now adjust it again. And creases down. This is a very important crease, so be patient. Now I have all the creases that I need. I flip the paper over. You can see the intersection of all the creases right here. I can turn the paper this way, and I'll start from the upper tip of fold straight down to create a new crease. Now let's crease this down. This is a very important crease, so do it. Now I have all the creases that I need at this point. I will start from this intersection. I pop it up a bit. You see, I pop it up a little bit. And now I start from both sides of the paper. I push both sides of the paper to the center crease. This is basically like how you fold the Spirit Dragon, or how you fold the Swallow. Okay, or people call it the waterworm fold, base, whatever. Now start from this edge, fold to the center crease. Press down the paper and start from this layer. Start from this layer, fold straight up so you can create the wing of the plane. This is a cousin paper airplane of the Spirit Dragon, so you will see a lot of similar fold. Now fold this layer back. Same thing for this layer, I fold straight back. And I'm going to adjust the paper. Start from the edge, fold to the center crease. Then I'm going to crease this down again. I have the other side. I can use the other side as a reference to fold the wing for this side. So now I have a reference point. I just fold this layer out to create a wing. I will adjust it a little bit. I will look back and forth to make sure that it's aligned. I'll just eyeball to see if it is even or not. If it's not, I will adjust it a little bit. And I can press the paper down to create a wing. Just press this down. I will need to pull it out a little bit more so that it's even. Okay. Okay, now it is even. I hold the paper and I'm going to press it down hard. That's look good. I just adjust it a little bit more. Here we go. I press it down more. Okay, so now finish the wings of the blend. On the next step, I'm going to start from this layer. I first straight up. I'm going to do the same step for this side. I first to the center crease. First straight up. I press the paper down. It's look good. On the following step, I'm going to start from this layer. Alright, so I'm going to start from this layer. I first straight out. Make sure that you match the edge with the below layer. This will look like this. Press down the paper and push it back. Same thing for this size. I'll adjust it a little bit. You can see that for this. Okay. I match both edges together. I will adjust it a little bit more, so it will look like this. You can see that it look like the wing already. Let me fold it back again, and then I'm going to fold this side. And see this? I matched them all together, and now they look even. So at first I didn't do it correctly. Now I have both sides of the blend evenly. Now I can start from this edge. I fold it straight to the center crease. That's why I can enhance the head of the blend. And I still have two small wings on the top. I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. Okay. Do not fold it to the between the wings and the body, but fold it like this. Okay, press start the paper. Now you have the upper wings and the below wings. That's look pretty cool. Now you can fold the paper in half. This is off a little bit, so I need to adjust the paper. Now I can start from this up edge. I can fold out to create the first wing. Now I have the first wing of the blend. I'm going to flip the paper over. I fold the second layer down to create a second wing. I adjust the head of the blend because now it's not even. I'm going to adjust the wings as well. Once I finish the wings, I'm going to create the stabilizers. So I create the stabilizers on the bottom here. I'll open the layer and just press this up to create the stabilizers, just like the spirit dragon. If it's not even, then I adjust the stabilizers to make sure that both sides are even. The tricky thing about this type of paper airplane is if the stabilizers are not even, the plane may not fly well. So be patient and adjust the stabilizers if you need to. At the end of the wings, just fold up to create the elevators. Elevators will have the plane fly better. Especially for this type of paper airplane, just like a real jet, it needs an elevator. So if the head is not correct, adjust it a little bit. Also the body, need to press it down so the plane will stay strong. Alright, so the paper airplanes look perfectly fine now. And now to finish the paper airplane, let's create the cabin or central stabilizers. That will have the plane fly very far. By doing so, you need to hold both front wings all together and push them into each other. If you see the small pocket right here, like I'm showing you right now, push this in as much as you can and do it slowly. And the more you push in, the stronger this cabin, the central stabilizers will be. You keep pushing in until a point that you can't do anymore. So doing this now it's look fine. Adjust it until you can make sure that both sides are even and adjust it. If it's not even, you can just push this in a little bit more. Now we can't see the insignia, that's why it's difficult for us to do, but in order to keep both sides of the paper airplane together, you push this in like that, make a pinch fold, adjust it And once you have that carbon the central stabilizer, just for it to assign, for it to the left and then for it to the right, and then adjust that. Now you can see there's a hole between two sides of the wings. This is what it should look like, and you just adjust the carbon, the stabilizers. This is a very unique paper airplane, and I hope you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane. Test this out. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.